Navigating Form 1065, a simple guide for partnerships. Let's break it down step by step to make it easy for you. First things first, gather your documents. Collect financial records, such as income statements, balance sheets, and receipts for expenses. You'll need details on income, deductions, and partner information. Next, complete the basic information about your partnership. Name, address, employee information number, EIN, and the tax year you're filing for. Jumping into the income section now. Line 1 is for your gross receipts and sales. Line 2 is where you handle your returns and allowances to calculate your net sales. Line 3 to 7 cover other income sources like interest, dividends, and gross rental income. Now let's tackle deductions. Line 8 to 20 are where you report your allowable expenses, salaries, guaranteed payments, bad debt, repairs, and more. The total helps calculate your ordinary business income or loss. Moving on to partner-specific details. Lines 1 to 21 on Schedule K cover various forms of income, deductions, and credits. Each partner receives a Schedule K1, showing their share of the partnership's financial goodies. If needed, complete balance sheets at the end and beginning of the tax year, lines 11 and M on page 4. Don't forget page 4. Answer yes/no questions about your partnership's business. Schedule B includes additional questions. And now, the crucial part, sign and date your form. An unsigned tax return is the same as an unsigned check, not valid. Finally, distribute Schedule K1s to each partner. They'll use these on their personal tax returns. And that's it! Completing Form 1065 doesn't have to be daunting. If you have any questions, just remember Fusion CPA is here to assist you. Happy filing, and here's to a smooth tax season for your partnerships.